What's going on, guys? Angelo here. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing the HyperX Cloud 2 wired headphones, and I also do have a webcam in here. I'm kind of getting my whole PC gaming setup right now. This one ran me for about $75. There's a gunmetal version. This is the red version, but the gunmetal version was like $90 or I think like $100 even, and I was like, man, I want the gunmetal, but I wasn't really trying to drop all that money. Go ahead and open this thing up. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. I also got a controller too. I got me a PS5 controller. I'm gonna get the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller when I get some extra cash. So yeah, these are the Cloud 2 headphones. They have some really nice packaging overall. It looks really good. Nice bright colors. This is the other side. Now these have 50mm drivers. I'm sorry, 53mm drivers. The main reason I got this though was because of the 7.1 surround sound. When I saw that, I was like, I'm so open up this way. Okay, I feel like, I don't know why it feels like this thing's supposed to open up or something. Hold on, let me see something here. Okay. I feel so stupid. Oh wow, they give you another red box. That's really cool. Alright, so now we slide it open. Okay, here we go. Very nice unboxing experience. For it to be only $75, that's a really good unboxing experience. I'll go ahead and open this up here. Oh wow, they feel very nice. They have this nice meshy finish to it. They're see-through, but it gives you, I imagine when you're sweating and whatnot, when you're gaming, yes, your ears do sweat when you're gaming. It feels very nice, comfy. It's leatherette, so it is going to be fake leather, but it does have memory foam, so that's a plus there. Yeah, they feel really good. This is not, I think these are metal. Yeah, this is metal for sure. They have the HyperX branding on here. Very nice design. Very nice design. They feel very nice, and here's the cable as well. The cable is going to be a nylon braided cable, which is always a good plus. Here is the detachable microphone, as you see here. All right, so let's go ahead and open this part up. All right, yep, this is the 7.1 surround sound cable. So I guess you attach this to the microphone. You attach this cable to the actual 7.1 surround sound, and then you plug this into your PC. Now that's the only catch. You can only use the 7.1 surround sound if you have a PC. It's not going to work if you have like PlayStation or Xbox, so you're going to have a PC in order to get the 7.1 surround sound. You can adjust your volume for your microphone or your headset as well, and then you just click this for it to turn on or off. Again, this is a really nice feature just to have. And it also has a little clip on the back of here if you want to like clip it to your shirt or something. And there's a switch on here to turn off the microphone, which is even better. All right, so the last thing to do, I guess, is to go ahead and listen to these and see how they sound. I guess I'll go ahead and listen to some Call of Duty gameplay as well as Battlefield, some Horizon, and a bunch of other games. And I'll come back to you all and let you all know what I think of them. All right, guys, so I have the PC set up and everything, and I just finished listening I've had these for around like 3 or 4 days now. The Cloud X2s, and these are my Sony's like WH-1000 XM4s. These Cloud X2s that were only like, what, a couple dollars, sound almost as good as the Sony's, but I will say the Sony's have a little bit more fuller sound. Like, it sounds just more full, like you can kind of hear everything. I like the effect that these give though, because you hear the bass and like you really hear those highs a lot, and I really like the way these feel in my ear. These ones kind of compress my ear, but I will say I love that they're noise canceling. When you turn on the surround sound, oh my gosh, it switches everything. So I wanted to see if you could plug it in with these, and it is possible. That's more than likely what's going to be my setup, is the 7.1 audio with these, because they sound phenomenal. The only reason I wouldn't use these ones is because they compress my ear too much. So when I'm gaming, I do sweat a little bit, obviously, and these ones I don't have any problems with that. They fit my ear very well. They're comfortable, and I could honestly wear those probably longer. So that's more than likely why I will continue to wear those. But if I'm just casually watching a movie or something, I'm gonna go with these Sony's with the 7.1. I know that would be obviously a little bit more expensive, but I'd say it's definitely worth it. So if you can just find this 7.1 thing and plug it in with like a super expensive set you already have, I'd say go for it. But if you can't, go ahead and buy these. They sound amazing. They're worth the price. These are definitely the best gaming headphones that I've owned. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see some more content like this. Until next time, you guys, peace out.